Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Baby Mario step by step. In my opinion, it's like Kid Mario because it's more older than a baby, but doesn't matter. First, we start drawing a nose. For the nose, we only have to draw like a oval, like a semicircle, like this. Then the eyes. For the eyes, I'm use ovals, circles. A nice tip for you for drawing, you can use shape because when you use shape you have a reference about the character that you are drawing. Now for the face, just a oval like this. For the ear, that shape. If you pay attention, the ear is like a F. And now it's time to the cap. First we start drawing this line, and now connect this. Look this, and that way. And another line, and that way. Connect here and here too. Now it's time to the top of the hat. But first, did hair. By the way guys, if you want that I'm drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. If you want to help me with a like and a subscription, that help me a lot. Now we have the head of Baby Mario. Now it's time to the body. I always used to drawing the head, the top, the the arm,